Okay, in this problem, we're going to calculate a mortgage payment and then the balance after a period of time. So this is problem 28 from chapter 4 of CFIN7. When Sarah Jean purchased her house 12 years ago, she took out a 30-year mortgage for $220,000. Mortgage has a fixed interest rate of 6% compounded monthly. So the first thing to do is calculate the mortgage. So what's your computer mortgage payment? So we do equals 30 years monthly. So 30 times 12, 360. The IY is 6%, 0.06 divided by 12. And I'll hit the percent key and add a couple of zeros, so 0.5% per month. So the 220,000. Whoop. All right, gotta widen my column. So the future value is 0. So equals payment is and PMT. So equals PMT. So my rate is 0.5%. The number of periods is 360. The PV is $220,000. And you don't have to enter the future value, but you can, which I choose to. So $1,319.01 is her monthly payment. So now to calculate her balance, first thing we need is the number of payments remaining. So this is a key number of payments remaining. The biggest mistake I see on these problems is the students will use the 12 years. So there's 18 years remaining on the mortgage. So it's 18 times 12. And so it's 216 payments left. So I hit it equals and I go over and grab my rate and my payment. And again, so I actually need to make it a little wider here because it's probably not going to be. And then future value is 0. And so it's a present value calculation, PV. So my rate is still the 0.5%. My number of periods is the 216. And then my payment is the $1,319.01. And then enter my future value there. So the current balance, the one thing is $173,974.77. The one thing about it, your Excel automatically formats these as dollars. So after 12 years, she will pay it off. The 220 minus the 173,974.77. So she'll pay off $46,000 of principal. This is an important part of mortgage thing to know about mortgages. You pay off a whole lot less in the first 12 to 15 years than you do in the last at the end of the mortgage because you're paying interest. Typically the halfway point is somewhere around 12 years remaining on a 30-year mortgage.